In this video I am going to unbox this Maono AU-902 Lite microphone. Let's open the Amazon packet and see what we get. And we have got this box of the microphone. Here it is written very light Maono. And the box is very dirty. As you can see, there is a lot of dust in the microphone box. And this is the box inside. Let's see what the specification. MRP price is written here 7999, but I only got in rupees 1200. There is USB Type-C rotating stand and headphone jack. Let's see the mic. And we are getting this mic. This is not so heavy, but it's okay. And this mic looks very beautiful, and you can also increase or decrease the volume of the mic. We are also getting this. This is a USB Type-C to USB for connecting into the PC, but if you want to connect, you can use OTG cable. We are not getting any other stand with it. And this is the cover for this mic. This is kind of velvet cover, and this is the side where it's connect USB Type-C and this headphone jack for listening what you are telling in the mic. Let me connect it into the PC and check. Let's check the mic connecting it into the PC with Filmora. And now I'm going to record the voice of this microphone in Filmora. So let's increase the volume of the mic and see how it records audio. So now I am increasing the volume slowly, and now it is in high volume. You can hear how it is. I think it will record background noise, and let me record the voice. And now I am recording the voice in low volume, and it don't record much sound. So you have to record the voice keeping the mic in high volume, so it will work perfectly. And you have to keep your mouth close to the mic for recording your voice. If you keep the mic far away, you cannot get your voice. And now I am recording the voice with this Maono microphone in outdoor condition, and you can hear how the sound is in outdoor situations. And the light is blinking green, so you can know that the mic is on. But when you connect in PC, you can click here to change the green light to red, means the mic will not work. So thanks for watching the video. Anything to ask in the comment section.